Arithmetic coding is a lossless coding in image compression techniques. Arithmetic coding is a stream-based coding. What do we understand by that? As and when the string of source symbols appears, it is encoded into a string of code symbols. Arithmetic coding does not require that each symbol should have an integer number of bits. So this restriction freeness makes the arithmetic coding more efficient. The arithmetic coding may reach the theoretical bound of coding efficiency, which is specified by Shannon's coding theorem. Some applications that use arithmetic coding are JBIG1, JBIG2, JPEG 2000, H264, MPEG, AVC. Let us understand the basic idea behind the arithmetic coding. We represent the entire input stream between the range 0 to 1. That is, first we divide the interval 0 to 1 into sub-intervals according to the probability distribution of each symbol. The first symbol interval is taken and again divided into sub-intervals with length which is in relation to the probabilities. Next, we take the second symbol interval and we again subdivide into the probabilities, and this is continued till the last symbol. Let us take, for example, the stream BACA. If we consider the stream as BACA, the probability of these symbols would be B appears once in these four, so it is the probability of symbol B is 1 by 4. The probability of symbol A is 2 by 4 and probability of symbol C is 1 by 4. So therefore symbol A has a probability of 0.5, which is 1 by 2 or 2 by 4, and symbol B is 0.25, which is 1 by 4, and symbol C is 0.25. As according to the first step, we have to arrange the symbol probabilities between the range 0 and 1. So for symbol A, it will be from 0 to 0.5, and for symbol B, 0.5 to 0.75, and for symbol C, the range will be from 0.75 to 1. From the given stream, we have to start with symbol B. So therefore, if you look at the symbol B, the range of symbol B is 0.5 to 0.75. So we take this range as the next range to be divided between the probabilities. So therefore 0.5 to 0.75 is a range which is 0.25. So this is divided between the three symbols. So 0.25 multiplied by 0.5 is 0.125. So when we add that to 0.5, the new range of symbol A would become 0.5 to 0.625, and 0.25 multiplied by 0.25 is 0.0625. So when we add 0.0625 to 0.625, we get 0.6875. Therefore, the new range of symbol B is 0.625 to 0.6875. Similarly, the new range for C would be 0.6875 to 0.75. So what we have now done is we have split the range 0.5 to 0.75 between the symbols according to their probabilities. So in the given stream, the next symbol is A. So the new range of symbol A is 0.5 to 0.625. So if you subtract 0.5 from 0.625, we get 0.125. So that range 0.125 has to be multiplied with these three probabilities to get the new range. So when we multiply that, we get the range of symbol A as 0.5 to 0.5625, and the range of symbol B would be from 0.625 to the range of symbol B would be from 0.5625 to 0.59375, and the range of symbol C would be from 0.59375 to 0.625. So like this we continue till the last symbol, that is again. So we in the next range we have to start with the symbol C. So we take this range and divide it again between the symbols A, B, C. So we end with the last symbol is A. So the arithmetic coding for the symbol BACA is any number between the lower limit of that symbol to the upper limit of that symbol. That is, you can have any code between 0.59375 to 0.609375. So that would be the code for this stream BACA. So let us keep that code as 0.59375. So the arithmetic code for the stream BACA would be 0.59375. So as I have told you, so this is the code 0.59375. Now how do we decode it? So when we look at the string, of course we need to know the probabilities of each of the symbol and the symbols. So when we look at where this range appears, it appears between 0.5 to 0.75, which is B. So if you go back to the sequence, so where does 0.59375 appears? So it will appear in this range 0.5 to 0.75, because 0.59375 is more than 0.5, so and it is less than 0.75, so therefore it cannot come in this range or in this range. So we figure out that the first letter at the decoder side, we figure out the first symbol is the first symbol in the stream is B. So we start with this range and we continue and decode and obtain the symbol as BACA.